What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Kraton RTR EXB 8S.
Yo, check this out.
What I'm doing out here today, I'm just bashing around. That's about it. Let's get into it. Peace. This thing is a beast, man. Perfect. Let's see how I can launch it as long as I hit myself. Perfect. See how close I can get. Perfect. Yo. Yeah, this thing launches very well, if you ask me. Perfect. Up here ripping it up at Huntington Park. Tearing it up like it ain't supposed to be tour about this. Let me get out of here. Whoa, peace. trigger is like a hair trigger, man. I got it hooked up to it like a Kyosho remote, and that trigger is light as hell. Perfect. Yo, that thing soared through the air like a... Yeah. Beast. Perfect. Actually made that. Yeah, man, this thing is a pure beast. Oh! Just in case y'all didn't see this, I got okay, they're not on now. I done jarred them up. Got the Venom chassis skin underneath. Nothing else was done. Added some lights, as you see. I don't know if you can see that. Let's say added some lights. Though this lens came off. Just in case y'all didn't see that in my previous videos.
Excellent.
But you know how it is. Yo, that big old brick right there is gonna kill me. I can see that happening right now. Oh. Finger slipped right off. Y'all love to see this crashing through leaves. Yeah, but my finger slipped off the last two jumps. I ain't want to say nothing last time, but
excellent.
I'm gonna switch angles in a minute. Perfect. Oh, come on, come on. Ooh. Oh, she survived that. Perfect. For some reason I'm trying to come off the wrong way. I don't know why. See, can I get this thing? Oh, I knew I was gonna hit that stupid rock. Yeah, LVC, man, this shit is dead. I don't see how I didn't even do anything. All right. Yeah, battery dumped on me. Battery dumped. Yeah, but
game over.
You can stop rolling. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell, more coming soon. And I'm out.
Well done.